is Jessica Valenzuela, but you can call me Jess. I am the founder and owner of Not Just a Planner, which is an event planning and designing company here in Los Angeles, California. I specialize in all types of milestones and events, whether it be a wedding, birthday, corporate, nonprofit event, you name it. I love getting to know my clients and understanding what's most important to them on their special day. That way, I can ensure your event runs smooth and stress-free so you can live in the moment. I guide my clients through a step-by-step process so they'll always know what I'll need from them and never have to wonder what's next. My personality is very adaptable, so I love working with others and feeding off of their energy. Your trust in me isn't something that I take lightly. My purpose is to guide you through the process of creating that dream event that tells your story and it's authentic to you. I'm not Jess, your planner. I'm your new best friend and mentor. Here on my YouTube channel, you can watch videos such as DIY projects, tips, tricks, answering some of your questions, and BTS footage from events that I've done in the past. If you're looking for advice on all things event planning, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. That way, each time I upload a new video, you will be one of the first to view it. Happy planning!